Hello student, welcome to Ideal Science Katta YouTube channel. Rotational Dynamics lecture series part 6. Today we are going to start new point. Before that, if you didn't see the last 5 videos, then please see it. Description box मध्ये आपण त्या सर्व व्हिडिओच्या लिंक्स प्रोव्हाइड केलेल्या आहेत. लिंक्स ओपन करून तुम्ही व्हिडिओला अवश्य बघा. So today we are going to start vertical circular motion. So this is the body and this body is revolving along a vertical circle. This is called as vertical circular motion and this is the center of vertical circular motion. In vertical circular motion, three important positions are occur. The motion is start from lowest point. This is the lowest point. After that, bodies reaches to midpoint. This is the midpoint and this is also midpoint. There are two midpoints, left and right. And after that, bodies reaches to highest point. This is the highest point. It is also called as top point. Now we are going to start expression for vertical circular motion. Consider a body of mass m. Suppose this is the body of mass m tied to one end of string. This is the string and this is the one last end of string, and we attach a small body is here of length r, and the length of string is equals to radius of circle, and rotate in vertical circle with center O, and this body is rotate in vertical circle with center O. Let theta be the angle made by string with vertical. Suppose this is the theta, this is the vertical line, and this is the string, actual position of string, that is in between actual positions and vertical angle is there, that is theta. Theta is the angle made by string with vertical. At the point A, forces acting on body are. Suppose initially body is at Q position and body is rotating and body is reaches at point A. So at point A, forces acting on body are, the first force is its weight mg acting vertically downward. Suppose this is the position of Bob, we call that position A. The body's position is A, and from the A there are two forces are acting. The first one is its weight mg acting vertically downwards. So this is the first force mg which is acting vertically downwards. Suppose this is the position and this is the first force, that is mg. And second force, tension T in the string along the length of string. So second force is the T, tension T toward the center of circle along the radius. This is the T. Its weight mg is divided into two components. Its weight mg is divided into two components. Suppose this is the mg force and this mg is divided into two components. First, mg cos theta. This is the mg cos theta along the length of string, outward directions, and mg sin theta perpendicular to the string, and to perpendicular to the string mg sin theta is there. So mg sin theta and mg cos theta are the component of mg. mg cos theta is opposite to tension in the string, that is T. Exactly T च्या opposite direction मध्ये mg cos theta दिलेला आहे. The difference between tension T and mg cos theta provide necessary centripetal force for circular motion. So from point A, T is directed toward the center of circle, and from point A, mg cos theta is directed outward directions. So the difference between tension T and mg cos theta, T and mg cos theta यांच्यामधला difference means centripetal force, which is necessary centripetal force for circular motion. So t minus mg cos theta, t minus mg cos theta equals to mv square upon r, because centripetal's formula is mv square upon r. So we write here mv square upon r. So equation is created here, t minus mg cos theta is equal to mv square upon r. So we are going to shift this mg cos theta on RHS. mg cos theta LHS मध्ये निगेटिव्ह साईननी आपण यूज केलेलं आहे. सो आफ्टर शिफ्टिंग ऑन RHS, सो t इक्वल्स टू mv square upon r plus mg cos theta. This minus mg cos theta will be plus mg cos theta on RHS. This is equation number first. So t is equal to mv square upon r plus mg cos theta. This is equation number first, and this is the equation of tension in the string at point A. तर A पॉईंटवर टेन्शनचं इक्वेशन्स आपल्याकडे आलेलं आहे. t इज इक्वल टू mv स्क्वेअर अपॉन r प्लस mg cos theta. This is equation number first. From figure, see in the figure, this is the point O, this is the point M, this is A, and again it is reaches to point O. So it is the right angle triangle, and in right angle triangle M is 90 degrees angle and O is the theta. So cos theta is equal to, what is the formula of cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So adjacent side is OM, so we write here OM, and hypotenuse is OA, so we write here OA. So cos theta is equal to OM upon OA. So if we shift OA on LHS, then OM साठी इक्वेशन तयार होईल, OM equals to OA into cos theta. But see in the figure, from O to A, this is the radius of circle, that is R. So we replace OA by R. So equation is become OM equals to R cos theta. This is equation number second. So in this page, two equations are important. T, that is tension in the string at position A, mv square upon r plus mg cos theta. A पोझिशनवर असताना टेन्शनचं इक्वेशन आहे t इक्वल्स टू mv स्क्वेअर अपॉन r प्लस mg cos theta, and OM equals to this OM, shortest distance, OM equals to r into cos theta. Let v of p is the velocity of the particle at top point P. So in figure we saw that p is the top point, and at the top point v of p is the velocity of particle. So v of p is the velocity of particle at top point P. We have v square is equal to u square plus twice as. This is the third kinematic equation. V is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, a is the acceleration, and s is the displacement. So v square is equal to u square, means v of p square. So we replace that u square by v of p square. u square ला आपण v of p square ने रिप्लेस केलेलं आहे. Twice a means acceleration, and acceleration is replaced by acceleration due to gravity. And displacement, the displacement is replaced by op plus om, total displacement from mean position up to extreme position. मेन पोझिशन पासून टॉप पोझिशनवर डिस्टन्स किती कव्हर केलं आहे, तर ओ पी प्लस ओ एम. तर ओ पी प्लस ओ एम तुम्ही फिगरमध्ये बघू शकता, सी इन द फिगर. सो व्ही स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू व्ही पी स्क्वेअर प्लस ट्वाइस जी ओ पी, दॅट इज द रेडियस, सो इट इज राइटन ॲज आर, अँड ओ एम that is r cos theta. See equation number 2. From equation 2 we can write that OM equals to r cos theta. So OP equals to r plus and OM equals to r cos theta. r cos theta हा आपण इक्वेशन नंबर 2 वरून घेतलेला इक्वेशन्स आहे. सो v स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू vp स्क्वेअर प्लस ट्वाइस g r आपण हा कॉमन आउट घेतलेला आहे. So 1 plus cos theta, these are and these are will take constant. So Vp square is equal to V square is equal to Vp square plus twice gr in a bracket 1 plus cos theta. So taking square root both side, then square will be cancelled. V is equal to under root Vp square plus twice gr in a bracket 1 plus cos theta. This is equation number 3rd, and this is the expression for velocity of body at point A. A पॉइंट वर वेलोसिटी फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी या इक्वेशनचा आपण यूज करू शकतो. V इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट व्ही पी स्क्वेअर प्लस टॉईस जी आर इन ब्रॅकेट 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा. ॲट पॉइंट P थीटा इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 T इक्वल्स टू mv स्क्वेअर अपॉन आर प्लस mg कॉस 180 डिग्री. इक्वेशन 1मध्ये आपण थीटाला 180 डिग्री रिप्लेस केलं आहे बिकॉज पी पॉईंटवर हायेस्ट पॉईंटवर थीटा हा 180 डिग्री असतो. ॲट हायेस्ट पॉईंट थीटा इज 180 डिग्री. सो टी इज इक्वल टू एम व्ही स्क्वेअर अपॉन आर प्लस एम जी इंटू कॉस 180. अँड व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ कॉस 180? द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ कॉस 180 इज -1. सो T equals to mv square upon r plus mg into -1. सो -1ने जर का आपण mg ला मल्टिपल केलं तर T इक्वल्स टू mv स्क्वेअर अपॉन आर मायनस mg. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 4. दिस इज द टेन्शन इन द स्ट्रिंग ॲट टॉप पॉईंट. तर टॉप पॉईंटवर T टेन्शन इन द स्ट्रिंगचं इक्वेशन आपल्याकडे आलेलं आहे. T इज इक्वल टू mv स्क्वेअर अपॉन आर मायनस mg. This is the tension in the string at top point. So at lowest point Q, theta is equal to 0 degree. At lowest point, now we are going to find tension at lowest point. So at lowest point Q, theta is equal to 0 degree. So from equation 1, T equals to mv square upon r plus mg cos 0 degree. थीटाला आपण 0 डिग्रीने रिप्लेस केलेलं आहे इक्वेशन 1 मधून. सो टी इज इक्वल टू एम व्ही स्क्वेअर अपॉन आर प्लस एम जी. सो व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ कॉस 0 डिग्री? दॅट इज 1. सो टी इज इक्वल टू एम व्ही स्क्वेअर अपॉन आर प्लस एम जी इंटू 1 अँड एम जी इंटू 1 एम जी. सो टी इज इक्वल टू एम व्ही स्क्वेअर अपॉन आर प्लस एम जी. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 5. And this is the tension in the string at lowest position. So equation 5 is representing tension in the string at lowest position. T is equal to mv square upon r plus mg. At midpoint r or s, theta is equal to 90 degree or 270 degree. Suppose r position, particle is at r position, so theta is equal to 90. If the particle is at s position, so theta is equal to 270, and the value of 90 degree is equals to 270 degree. So from equation 1, T is equal to mv square upon r plus mg cos 90 degree. At mid position, theta is equals to 90 degree. So T is equal to mv square upon r plus mg into cos 90 degree. And we know that what is the value of cos 90 degree? The value of cos 90 degree is 0. So T equals to mv square upon r plus mg into 0. And what mg into 0? 0. So what will remain? T equals to mv square upon r. This term will be get cancelled because of multiplication of 0. So T equals to mv square upon r. This is equation number 6. This is the tension in the string at mid position. So this is the tension in the string at mid position, that is T is equal to mv square upon r. So tension in the string at different position. So this is the highest position P. Tension in the string at highest point T is equal to mv square upon r minus mg. At P point, the equation of T is mv square upon r minus mg. Tension at lowest point, this is the lowest point Q, and at the Q, T equals to mv square upon r plus mg. This is the Q point, lowest point, and at midpoint R or S, the tension at midpoint T equals to mv square upon R. So at R, at midpoint, tension T equals to mv square upon R. So expression for velocity in vertical circle at different position. So subtitle is that expression for velocity in vertical circle at different positions. Minimum tension at top point P is 0. At top point, highest point, tension T is equals to 0. So T minimum equals to mv square upon r minus mg. Highest position साठी T चे इक्वेशन्स आहे T is equal to mv square upon r minus mg. लास्ट स्लाइड्समध्ये आपण ते इक्वेशन्स बघितलेलं आहे. T at highest point mv square upon r minus mg. So T minimum is 0. So 0 equals to at highest point tension at top is 0. So T minimum equals to 0. 0 equals to mv square upon r minus mg. So mg equals to mv square upon r. So mm will get cancelled, this m and this m will get cancelled, and this r will shift toward g. So v minimum equals to under root rg. So v minimum चे इक्वेशन्स आपल्याकडे आलेलं आहे at highest point v minimum equals to under root rg. This is the minimum velocity at highest point. See that this is the velocity at highest point, that is P point. V minimum is equal to under root rg. See mm get cancel here, and this r will shift toward g, and taking square root both side, then square will be cancelled, only v minimum will be remain, and under root rg will be here. So this is the minimum velocity at highest point. V minimum is equal to under root rg. At lowest point Q, theta is equal to 0 degree. So from equation 3, V equals to under root rg bracket square plus twice gr in a bracket 1 plus cos 0 degree. See the equation number 3rd. एक्सप्रेशन मधलं इक्वेशन 3rd बघा, आणि त्या इक्वेशन 3rd मध्ये थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 अँड व्ही ऑफ पी इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट आर जी. व्ही ऑफ पीला आपण अंडर रूट आर जीने रिप्लेस केलेलं आहे. सो अंडर रूट आर जी ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर प्लस ट्वाइस जी आर 1 प्लस कॉस 0 डिग्री. सो स्क्वेअर and square root will get cancelled, this square and this square root will be get cancelled, only rg will remain here plus twice gr 1 plus, and what is the value of cos 0 degree? The value of cos 0 degree is 1. Then 1 plus 1 2, and 2 into 2 4. So v is equal to under root rg plus 4rg. So 2 into 2, 1 plus 1 2, and 2 into 2 4. So 4rg is here. So 4rg plus rg 5rg. So v minimum is equal to under root 5rg. This is the minimum velocity at lowest point. So this is the velocity at lowest point, and velocity of highest point under root rg. Velocity at lowest point under root 5rg. At midpoint R or S, theta is equal to 90 degree or 270 degree. At midpoint वर R किंवा S या पॉइंट वर थीटा एक तर 90 डिग्री असतो or 270. We use 90 degree here. So from equation 3, V equals to under root rg bracket square plus twice gr in a bracket 1 plus cos 90 degree. सी इक्वेशन नंबर 3rd. इक्वेशन 3rd मध्ये इथं व्ही ऑफ पी आहे, आणि व्ही ऑफ पीला आपण अंडर रूट आर जीने रिप्लेस केलेलं आहे ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर प्लस ट्वाइस जी आर 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा, अँड थीटा 90 डिग्री असल्यामुळे आपण 90 डिग्री पुटअप केलेलं आहे. सो व्ही इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट आर जी, बिकॉज स्क्वेअर अँड स्क्वेअर रूट विल गेट कॅन्सल, आर जी इज रिमेन हेअर प्लस साइन ॲज इट इज, ट्वाइस जी आर ॲज इट इज, and 1 plus the value of cos 90 is 0, so 1 plus 0, and 1 plus 0 1, and 1 into twice gr, so v equals to rg plus twice rg, so rg plus twice rg, thrice rg, so v minimum is equal to under root 3 rg. This is the minimum velocity at mid positions or midpoint. See here the review of the velocity. Velocity at highest point v minimum is equal to under root rg, so this is the highest point, and at highest point velocity v minimum is equal to under root rg. At lowest point v minimum is equal to 5rg, this is the lowest point, and at lowest point v minimum is equal to under root 5rg. Velocity at midpoint v minimum is equal to under root 3rg, this is the midpoint, and at midpoint velocity is equals to under root 3rg. So three velocities are here: highest point, lowest point, midpoint. Highest point, that is p under root rg, lowest point, that is q 5rg under root 5rg, and at midpoint, that is r or s, v minimum is equal to under root 3rg. So remember it. Expression for tension minimum. At point P, T minimum is equal to mv square upon r minus mg. V, so V at P point, that is top point, that is under root rg. So T minimum is equal to m. This m will be as it is. So this V will be replaced as under root rg bracket square, because V square is here. So under root rg square upon r minus mg. So square and square root will get cancelled. So T minimum is equal to mrg upon r minus mg. So these r and these r will get cancelled. So what will remain? T minimum equals to r cancel out केल्याच्या नंतर only mg will remain here. mg minus mg plus mg and minus mg will get cancelled. So T minimum equals to 0. This is the minimum tension at highest point. T minimum at highest point is 0. So at top point minimum tension is 0. At lowest point Q, theta is equals to 0 degree. So T minimum equals to mv square upon r plus mg. So what is the equation of V at lowest position? Under root 5rg. So put here T minimum equals to m into under root 5rg bracket square. So V square is here. So under root 5rg bracket square upon r plus mg. So square and square root will get cancelled. So T minimum equals to 5mrg upon r plus mg. R will get cancelled. T equals to 5mg plus mg. So T equals to 6mg. This is the minimum tension at lowest point. T is equal to 6mg. This is the minimum tension at lowest point. So at midpoint R or S, T minimum equals to mv square upon r. This is the tension at midpoint. T minimum equals to mv square upon r. T minimum equals to m. Then what is the value of V at midpoint? Under root 3rg bracket square. So V is replaced as under root 3rg bracket square upon r. Square and square root will get cancelled. 3 will be shifted in front. So 3mrg upon r. R will get cancelled. So 3mg. T equals to 3mg. This is tension at midpoint. T equals to 3mg. Tension difference between highest point and lowest point. So this is the highest point and this is the lowest point. So tension difference at highest point and lowest point. So tension at lowest T of L minus tension of highest T of H equals to, what is the equation of T of L? 6mg. And what is the equation of T of H? 0. Tension at highest point is 0. So 6mg minus 0, 6mg. So tension at lowest point minus tension of highest point equals to 6mg. This is the tension difference between highest and lowest point. This is the highest point and this is the lowest point, and tension difference between highest and lowest is 6 mg, and is written as T of L minus T of H equals to 6 mg. This is the equation of tension difference at highest and lowest. Tension difference between lowest and midpoint. This is the midpoint and this is the lowest point. So T of L minus T of M equals to, what is the equation of tension at lowest? 6 mg. What is the equation of tension at mid? 3 mg. So 6 mg minus 3 mg, 3 mg. So T of L minus T of M, tension at lowest minus tension at mid equals to 3 mg. So this, thank you for watching video. If you like our video, then subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.